Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to install any application in Sony Bravo television. This is my Sony television. I just simply turn it on this one. Just simply turn it on the television. Here, bunch of application is showing. At the top of the screen of my app store is showing here. We can click here and check Google Play Store. Here, based on Europe. So if you want download or install any Indian application or any application, which application you like, accordingly you should search here. So here search menu option is also available. You just simply type here which application you want install. So as my perspective, I just simply install here Z5, so I can watch Indian movies and web series as well. So here just simply type here Z5 and installation process is going on. It's very easy. Forget this here, percentage is also showing here, and boom, 100% installation is completed. Now verify by Google product. You can wait couple of seconds. Rest of here bunch of other application is showing here. Which application you want install, accordingly you should decide. I just simply wait here couple of minutes to install this process. After install, I just simply open here. And afterward I can log in my premium account and enjoy feature of J5 in Euro.